Welcome to my channel Regular Practice for Competitive Exam। তো সামনেই সিজিএল পরীক্ষা, সিজিএল টায়ার 1, তার জেনারেল অ্যাওয়ারনেসের জন্য কিছু কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আজ প্র্যাকটিস করব। তো আজ কিছু বায়োলজির প্রশ্ন প্র্যাকটিস করা যাক। Which phase of cell cycle is known as Burcott's stage? এটা হবে লেপটোটিন। পরের প্রশ্ন, হু ইজ দ্য ফাদার অফ মডার্ন সাইটোলজি? এটা হবে সোয়ানসন। ফাদার অফ মডার্ন সাইটোলজি ইজ সোয়ানসন। হোয়াট ইজ synchrotron? A cell nucleus formed by the fusion of two pre-existing nuclei. What is the correct arrangement of cell cycle? G1, S, G2 and then M. Who first explained the genetic function of nucleus? J. Hammerling. পরবর্তী, who is the father of human genetics? Sir Archibald Garrod. Next, who is the father of modern human genetics? এটা হবে জেমস নীল। পরেরটা, what do you understand by the chromosomal formula 2n-2? এটা হবে নালিসমি। 2n-2 is নালিসমি। পরবর্তী, what is the main reason of cry-do-chat syndrome? Deletion or missing piece of genetic material on the small arm, that P arm of chromosome 5. এটা হচ্ছে cry-do-chat syndrome। আচ্ছা, পরবর্তী, the longest autosome of human is chromosome number 1. Longest autosome, chromosome number 1. Smallest autosome of human is chromosome number 22. Smallest autosome. Next, who discovered that human cell have 23 pair of chromosome? Human cell have 23 pair of chromosome discovered by Thijo and Levin. Next, what is C-value paradox? C-value paradox, the amount of DNA per haploid cell usually expressed as picogram. Next, which DNA is left helical in nature? এটা হবে Z-DNA. Z-DNA is left helical in nature. পরেরটা, which part of our body is highest number of bone? Highest number of bone is in our hand. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, who is the father of modern human anatomy? এটা হবে আন্দ্রেস ভেসেলিয়াস। পরবর্তী, in which artery of our body blood pressure is measured? এটা হবে বার্সিয়াল আর্টারি। ব্লাড প্রেশার মাপা হয় কোন আর্টারি থেকে? সেটা হচ্ছে বার্সিয়াল আর্টারি। হু ডিসকভার দ্য আর্টিফিশিয়াল পেসমেকার? এটা হবে উইলসন গ্রেটব্যাচ। The largest lymphatic organ of human body is spleen. Next, who discovered sphygmomanometer? Scipion Rivarossi। পরবর্তী, which part of human body has no blood supply? এটা হবে কর্নিয়া। কর্নিয়া কোথায় আছে? আমাদের চোখে। which enzyme is known as pacemaker of glycolysis? এটা হবে ফসফরুক্টোকাইনেসে। Next, which act as electron donor in photosynthetic reaction? Which act as electron donor in photosynthetic reaction? তবে water. What is dyspnea? Shortness of breathing. পরবর্তী এই পেজের লাস্টেরটা, what is hydrothorax? The condition having fluid in the pleural cavity. পরেরটা, the pathway of pigment system of photosynthesis looks like which English alphabet? Is Z. পরেরটা, what is absym? The antibodies that act as enzyme is known as absym. Largest enzyme catalyze. Slowest enzyme lysozyme. Which animal has the highest metabolic rate? Hummingbird. Most abundant enzyme of nature? Rubisco. First discovered enzyme? Urase from Jack Bean. Which type of teeth are absent in human babies? এটা হবে molar. The blood eaters are known as sanguinivorous. Diagnostic test of dengue is an antigen test. তারপরেরটা, diagnostic test of swine flu, throat swab test. Next, the dark green substance forming the first faces of newborn infant is meconium. Next, human chromosome can be strained with Gimsa. Next, the theme World Water Day 2018 was Nature of Water. 4th October is celebrated as World Animal Water Welfare Day. World Animal Welfare Day, 4th October. Who is the modern father of toxicology? Modern father of toxicology, Matthew Orfield. Next, the basic shape of our antibody is Y. Most abundant antibody of human body, IgG. Most abundant antibody of our human body is IgG. Less abundant antibody of our human body is IgD. Next, the antibody that is present in mother milk is IgA. পরবর্তী, the antibody that access placenta barrier is IgG. Next, the antibody that is related with human blood group is IgM. The antibody that help the allergic reaction, IgE. The gland that is present in our childhood but absent in adult is thymus. The gland that is present in our childhood but absent in adult is thymus. Next, pregnancy confirmatory hormone is human chorionic gonadotropin. Human chorionic gonadotropin. Next, the covering central nervous system. The covering of central nervous system, CNS, central nervous system, is meninges. Next, time of Synaptic transmission is 0.5 millisecond. Next, largest cranial nerve of human is trigeminal nerve. Smallest cranial nerve of human, olfactory nerve. Next, weight of spinal cord is 35 gram. Author of the book Descent of Man, Charles Darwin. The horny scale of beak of a bird is known as Ramphathia. Next, Aristotle's lantern in present is sea urchin. Ink gland is present in octopus. Ink gland. Longest tail is present in maize. Largest fruit of the world is an Atlantic giant pumpkin. Edible portion of lychee is aril. Flower is modified shoot. Father of plant pathology is Heinrich Anton de Bar. পরবর্তী, the scientific study of control and communication of animal and the mechanics is cybernetics. Name the world first human robot. Sophia. Next, plasmid PBR 322 is known as workhouse of gene cloning laboratory. পরবর্তী, DNA fingerprinting is based on RFLP restriction fragment length polymorphism technique. Next, the pigment that protect plants from harmful effect of UV ray is carotenoid. The substance that is added with natural rubber to make it strong and more buoyant is sulfur. Next, the animal group that has last to come forth in process of evolution is echinoderms. Next, which plant called herbal Indian doctor? Amla. Which plant is most recently used to make the artificial heart? Spinach leaf. The first developed organ of human embryo is heart. Full form of Gobar project, which will be recently launched by the Union government, is galvanizing organic bio agro resources.